Magtampisaw sa dalampasigan. Ay! Kaya. Aha. Maybe tomorrow we will go to White Beach. To the other, resort. Vitamin C. This is what we call vitamin C. Vitamin O. Ocean. Vitamin C, vitamin ocean. Walking in the Lampasigan. Walking in the Lampasigan. Right? This is what we call vitamin C. Vitamin C, vitamin sun. Ah, vitamin sun. Oh. Nice. Vitamin C. It's not really clear, right? Not really clear. Oh, the water.
Warm, the water?
Yeah, warm. The water. Ay, di ba I told you nga, around 4 or 3 onwards, the water will be warm. PM onwards, the water will be warm because it's too hot this morning. It was really hot in the morning, so this time the water is warm. Nice. Walking in the... What happened? What are you doing? If I won lottery, I'm gonna buy property in front of the beach. Nice. And then every morning, walking in the beach. Oh, it's nice. Oops! This is what to do. Yeah, just like it. Oh. Oh, see? It will remove the What happened? No. I did not. Sayang din. Oh my God, my phone is not in you. Oh my God. Oh, maybe this is the house of the... You look like kidnap. Look.
Yes, mommy.
Kidlat. Lumalaki yung alon. Pag ganitong oras, malaki yung alon. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Maybe abandoned house? It seems like nobody living there, eh? Right? It seems like nobody living there. Ay! No! Oh my God, you're so bad. What? The wave here is big. See? The wave in this part is big. Nothing na. Right. Oh, look. Crab. Crab.
Where?
There.
Where?
It's in the rock. There is a crab. Oh, I think. No, nothing. Oh, there. Oh, no. Look. Oh, wait. Oh, there. The crab there. Oh. Wait, in the water. Oh. There. Did you see? Oops. Oh, I think during at night the water is until here. I think in the morning the water is until here. Because, yeah. It's nice. Ah, mabato na dito, mabato na. Look, oh! Oh, they have some, you know the oyster. Oh. You see that? You see? It's, oyster.
Mussels.
Yeah. Yeah, oysters and mussels there. Pero, yeah. Nice. Oh, I think the people always get from there. Right? Oh, see? Oyster. Okay. Oh, careful. Oh, careful. There's a lot of crab here. Crab. I see you. Nice. Huh? Careful. Oh, see, look here. Oh, crab. Cute. You see? Oh, oh, see? Oh my God, I think he's dead. I Oh yeah, I did because you know no water. Ah, he got. I think he did not go down. When the water down, and then he's still there. Oh look, look there, 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 there. You see? And then the big one is there. The small one.
Yeah.
Nice. Ah, yeah. The big one is here. Ah,
There's my big crab.
no, the big one. You see, you see, you see. Yeah. Oh, the water kasi always good. Good. Crab. It's nice. Magluto tayo ng ano, ginataang kasag. Kasag. Nice. Oh, nice. Nice. Nice, right? O, di ba? Ngayong wala nang init, wala na yung mga foreigner na naliligo. Kanina nga ang init-init. Diyos ko po, mga nakabihilata sa initan. Yung mga Pinoy nasa lilim. O, di ba guys? Sila gustong-gusto yung mga balat natin na morena. Samantalang tayo naman gustong-gusto nating pumuti. Imagine, nagbilad sila simula. O, diba? Inurasan ko talaga yung pagbibilad nila sa, sa initan. Simula alas 10 ng umaga hanggang alas 2. Titihaya, tatagilid, dadapa, maglalagay ng cream, dapa ulit. O, diba? Nung may mga pulang-pula na tuwang-tuwa. Samantalang ako nasa gidli. Takot mangitim. Diba? Wala talaga tayong pagpintuhan, no? Yung mga mga Amerikano or yung mga banyagang puti, katulad nila, mga Western people, gustong-gustong itim. Tayo naman, mga Asian, especially mga Filipina, gustong-gustong pumuti. Hindi naman lahat, pero karamihan. Madalang lang sa Pinay yung kontento sa kulay nila. Ako naman, lang ako. Ayoko lang kasing magka-sunburn kasi ang sakit sa mukha pagka nasusunog ng araw na nagligo sa dagat. Pero hindi naman ako takot sa initan masyado. Pag sa dagat kasi, nakakatakot lang kasi pag masobrahan ako sa ilalim, sobrang nagkaka-sunburn talaga ako. And ang hapdi-hapdi kaya sa mukha. Ang hapdi sa mukha. Watching from Saudi, si Auntie. Diba? Yun naman. Pero hindi naman ako, kasi hindi rin naman nga ako palagamit ng mga pampaputi eh. Ayoko lang masyado nagbababad sa initan lalo sa dagat kasi nga pag nagka-sunburn, ang sakit-sakit sa mukha. Diyos me, marimaras ang tagal mawala. Pero kanina, yung Yung mga foreigner, babae, lalaki, Diyos ko, talaga, todo bilat. Gusto daw nila katulad ng balat ko, yung kulay ng balat ko. Napuri pa yung balat ko. Kanina kasi, parang ilan lang kaming Filipino dito sa resort. More on mga banyaga yung mga naka-check-in sa hotel, sa resort na pinuntahan namin. Private resort kasi siya, guys. Tapos karamihan ng mga is mga foreigner talaga na mga western people. So from Germany, Canada, US, Ireland, UK. So mga ganun yung mga babae, lalaki. So parang konti kaming Filipino dito. Tapos ilan lang kaming Filipina. And yung gusto daw nilang kulay katulad ng kulay ko. Ganun. Gusto nila yung kulay ko. Lahat may sabit man yung mga nandito. Mga kasama rin yung mga partner nila, ante. Basta. No, I think it's a paint from the chair. O, diba? Gusto nila yung balat ko. Gusto nila yung katulad ng balat ko na golden brown. Golden brown? Morena? How about you? What happened to your skin? Sunburn? Sunburn. Yeah, sunburn. Sunburn. Diba? Yung gandang-ganda sila sa balat ko, samantala ko gandang-ganda dun sa balat nila. Ay, magpalit na lang kaya kami ng balat. Diba?